Alright, so today I have here a Samsung phone, and according to the customer, um, the, the LCD is new, and it suddenly the touch stopped working. So if you power on, and it's not working, touch is not working. So basically, yeah, you cannot power off if you long press. You cannot press restart or power off, so there's no way for us to restart the phone. So before doing any troubleshooting, just want to let you know that I'm using a new wireless microphone. It's a TNW N11, so I'm not gonna worry about the battery life of this microphone. So even if the troubleshooting takes more than an hour, it should be fine because I've tested it. Anyway, going back to the phone, how do we shut down this phone? You can try pressing the the power button and the volume down. But usually the problem of the touch issue is it could be the LCD or the flex cable of the LCD, or it could be the port. The flex cable uh, port that is connected to the motherboard of the phone. So first troubleshooting that we need to do is we need to be able to shut down this phone. One way is disassembling the phone and then deattach the battery. And the other way is by pressing volume down and power for at least 20 seconds. So let's try that. Okay, we were able to shut it down, and right now I think it's restarting. So it's a Samsung A02s. All right, let's just wait for it. All right, it's done restarting. So let's test the touch. Now touch is working. So once we can log in here, we need to calibrate the phone, so, so that the touch will work permanently. So I think that's it. All right, let's go.